Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to create glowing neon tunnel in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new edgy canvas with black background. Select the list tool and draw a large circle in the center. Duplicate the circle multiple times, scaling each one smaller. Align all circles concentrically from tunnel shape. Apply gradient overlay with neon colors like blue, pink, purple on each circle. Add outer glow from layer style for neon brightness. Set glow blending mode to screen or linear dodge. Duplicate and blur some circles for depth lighting. Use the brush tool with soft light stroke to enhance tunnel glow. Apply perspective using edit transform perspective for realism. Add light flares or sparkle textures inside